This job interview mentor chatbot built on MindPal can actually generate a personalized set of job interview questions and help you practice as well as give instant feedback for you. Check it out. I can type CV to get started. And then it will ask me to upload my CV. Let's go with this. Now let's move on to the next step. This is where it will proceed to the interview question step. Let's go start. Okay, now as you can see, it has helped generate 4 questions for me. And all I need to do now is to click start, and the interview mock practice section will start right away. Let's go. I used to work on a lot of machine learning projects. One recently is the MindPal project, where I developed a platform for people to build their own AI agents and chatbots for various tasks based on their materials. I check GitHub a lot, and I also keep updated on all the latest news about AI and technology in general from various sources such as Twitter or LinkedIn or newsletters. Recently in my project MindPal, I have successfully implemented a mechanism to process data from various types of sources, from websites to files, etc., and retrieve the context so that it can be so that all the chat functions on MindPal will always have the context it needed from the knowledge base provided by the user. Hungriness and willingness to learn is absolutely a must because AI and technology changes all the time. Okay, now that I have finished all 4 questions, let's click submit. Okay, so this is a report of my answer, and this is the feedback for my answer for each of the answer. So as you can see, I have this job interview mentor has taken my CV in, analyzes it, and provide a personalized set of questions, as well as allow me to practice right in this window and give me feedback. This is so awesome, right? And the best part is that you can build a chatbot like this in just 2 minutes with our MindPal platform. Let me show you how to build it. First, let's go to brain.mindpal.space and navigate to the agent tab. This is where you can build an agent. For me, I have built a job interview mentor agent that I used for this chatbot. I provided some background of what it is, as well as specify to it that it can use the speaking tool to allow the user to practice these questions with it and give detailed feedback after receiving the answers. Now, the best part about this is that since we give you total control over how the agent behaves, you can totally adjust this to your needs. For example, you can further tailor it for the specific job role that you want the job interview to be based on, or if you want the feedback to be in a certain way, just let the agent know in this area. Also, you can attach documents or materials that are relevant in this case. For example, you can upload a job description of the role the user is applying for, or you can upload anything else that you may see fit. And in the advanced settings, you can also select the language for this agent, or you can also add tools for this agent as well. So tools is a special feature on MindPal. Think of them like we are giving extra powers to the agent. The agent can not only just chat with you in text, just like other apps, but also use these kinds of tools that dynamically and appropriately to serve the user. So in this case, since we will need 2 tools, read a CV file and provide a speaking task, because what the task we want this agent to do is to take in a CV file, analyze it, and provide a speaking task, right? But you can also have several other tools that you can try as well. For now, this is good enough. So after you have built your agent, you can go to the chatbot tab. So the chatbot is like a publishable version of your agent, because what you want to do right now is not only to build this agent and chat with it in your personal workspace, but you also want a way to share this agent with other people. It could be your students or your audience or your mentees, right? So what you need to do is to create a new chatbot. This is the chatbot I have created. You can give it a name. You can give it a different photo of profile photo. You can give some description. Remember to attach that job interview mentor as the agent here, and then you can also like customize a bunch of other things such as chat interface, user info collection, etc. And then once you create that chatbot, you can publish it, and you will get several ways to share and embed this chatbot. It could be via link or iframe or chat bubble widget on your website. So this is how I have built this job interview mentor that I have just shown you. But now I would like to invite you to go to Brain My Data Space and try building one for your own, because your imagination or your creativity will be much like wider than me. So I encourage you to try it out and tailor it for your specific case and see how it works. Do let me know your thoughts.